That's the Smart View wallet case on the Galaxy S24 Ultra, fit with the Galaxy S25 Ultra. So let's test it out and find out. So I'm going to take it out here, take out the phone, and this is the S25 Ultra, and we're going to place it in. Okay, so you can see the buttons here are almost aligned, but on the Galaxy S25 Ultra it is a bit down a little bit. The buttons here, this doesn't have the slot for the SIM tray, so that's going to be a problem. There's a little microphone right here, it will be blocked, so you need to create extra space in here for the microphone if you're going to use this case. Okay, so it appears to fit perfectly in the case. As you can see, the buttons, yeah, I can press on the button, power button. Now the only problem is when you close the case, it does not detect the case. It does not actually work. You can use it, but it doesn't work with the case. So this, even here, it's kind of poking up a little bit. So it doesn't completely fit in, just barely fit in, but not completely. But the case in itself does not work. So maybe the sensor at a different place on this case here, and hence it does not work. Okay, that's it. Thank you for watching.